In this lifetime, you don't have to prove nothing to nobody except yourself. And after what you've gone through, if you haven't done that by now, it ain't gonna never happen.
It's past possible, meaning that all you gotta do is start. Because if it's past possible, as soon as you start, you know you're gonna set records. You know you're gonna take it to the next level. You know what's gonna be that you're going to do what's never been done before.
Divine presents is Adiwala. Dear party rep your swagger. Saturday, June 24th. Shandy and Sugar confirm. Divinity Nation around the world. Make sure you know forward.
You not have to be my friend, nah. Me not have to be your friend. You not buy me food. You not take care of my kids them. Me know them a from long time, so me not to believe in a mankind. Me future brighter than sunshine. Plus me granny tell me this one time. Say, new level.
Hi Divinity Nation. Good morning. On my way to gym, obviously, right? Have my hair up in this little bun thing. I washed it. It's wet right now, but I still put stuff in a bun because I can't deal with when I'm at the gym and it just falling in my face. So I just put it up like that. But yeah, so stuff. Nothing is not going on as usual right now. So just you know, checking. I don't know. Welcome people. It's a sunny day. It's a beautiful day. I'm short today. My hair is short today. Just slip on this short wig that I had. You remember from another them time in the last year when I got this wig done? Felt in the mood, you know, for short hair, because going to the gym and all of them, when I go to the gym I sweat like pipe. It's like them turn on a pipe like me, so this is very convenient and time I get hot, so why not? I go wear this a couple days still. It's literally my current mood. Shama over here. Shama going to she repping. She going to her practice and something. So that's what's up. Exam time start. So it's like all our classes them done basically. She just pretty much doing exams now. She have mock exams, which I know it is not sexy yet, but Shami got 2 distinctions. I'm so proud of her. Like, she doing cheerleading, all them something and shit. Like, I'm proud of her. So I just hope and pray that she mash up sexy same way. So yeah, so today is one of her off day. She don't have any exam today, but they do have cheerleading practice for the entire week.
Baptist competition is next week.
So that's what I'm having next week. So I'm practicing every day for that. You know, just getting themselves ready and stuff. So yeah, I'm just me. I go by the plaza. She I go school for that, and me I go to the supermarket. Hi guys, it's Friday. I'm here at the gym. Just come put my bag in the locker, and now I'm going to go ahead and warm up. Today is leg day. So yeah, it's kind of late-ish. So guys, I'm just finished my workout. Look how I'm on. Jesus. Now I'm gonna do lunges over here, sir. So I'm gonna put on here, sir. So you can see me. I'll be back.
I hope you find what you've been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
finished my workout. The last part was brutal. I lift light here, but I did like 20 odd reps, 3 sets, and it was mostly like pulses. It wasn't like full squats, which was excruciating. And then I lifted really heavy. I'll take off the weight then. I lifted really heavy over there, like super heavy, brutal. But now I forgot up on the road, run some errands and stuff like that. Yeah. So it's my day up on the road now, and me I tell you, say, look there, so behind me, beer traffic, you know. Cause today are champs, today are Friday, and tomorrow, I don't know what's the bigger day for champs. It's gonna be ridiculous, ridiculous. So yeah, that's what's up.
You and I, you left off in the summer room. When you come back, you make me float like a balloon into the sky. Me see me better miss you, you and I. Any man you get that body there, he ma fi anaya. Any girl we say they me tell them I just a fan of ya. I'm more here for the wine for me. Slow. No, slower than that. You make me feel good. Whenever me get fit touch you, you make me feel good. When you go so with your muscle, you make me feel good. Oh, you mean say me no miss you? When you say that, me heart just keep a beat. Cause when you see you sit now, love you but you never see it. Couple of my friends I see you, say you love it not feel good cause I know me no leave. Sexiness I feel you think, I go in everything I see you.
Guys, what's up? It's Saturday morning, and you know what time it is? We heading to the gym. Me, Shami, Mommy coming, and Travis is doing it again today. So, that's what's up. That is what's up. What about your dad? Only about your fair dad. Is Mommy and Shami a dance and a get way in a dance class. Like, yeah, them hype. They're super hype. Them didn't really want to dance class because I was doing my ab workout, so it went pretty good. So yeah, I'm just there and stuff. I never do dance class because I don't know, not today, probably next week. I'm not sure. So yeah, but come to sports bra, smoking. Well, partially, like half so. But yeah, we have some errands to run after done dance class, so that mega do. Have some stuff to pick up at Terry's Cosmetics, and we're going Discount Beauty. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I have to go to the club tonight to do makeup. So yeah, that's what's up. Pretty good Saturday. I feel energized. I woke up super early, came to cycling class, and I feel energized. So especially get wet, can't manage them so much. But we're just heading out. But not like that work for more than circling. Really? Because I get used to it. Because they're constantly moving in different directions. That's why. In Torino, guys. Someone, oh, you're not eye today. What you?
She got makeup fleek, eh?
Yes. Mommy, they were there, so getting a foundation palette. I always come in here to buy the foundation palette. I'm getting rhinestones for Carnival. Guys, remember I'm telling them I booked out for Carnival, so yeah, in case you're wondering, I'm going to ask in the comments. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm getting, and then I'm leaving. I don't know, pre-workout. No, not pre-workout, BCAA. Yeah, too long leave the gym. Plus it's one clean up. It never smear up, but yeah, heading home. Washed my hair last night. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna film a video. I'm gonna never put up no vlog on Saturday because I didn't have enough content for a vlog for Saturday. But I think I'm gonna put up one tomorrow today. Yeah, tomorrow, which is Tuesday. I like how you guys understand, you know, that when you do see a vlog, you know what it is. Yeah, but just making a couple stops before I go home. Travis over there, so. And yeah, as I said, I'm going to go home and film, then edit afterwards, and yeah. If anything else, I'm going to come back and talk to you guys. Going in quantum concepts, guys. Quantum concepts. My headphone. I'm going to buy the next one. I want a earphone. Yeah, and a USB cord. Alright, thank you. So I think kind of bad when I turn out with it because the light around it, so. But yeah. Hi. Okay, I want a earphone. I want an earphone. I like it. Thank you. Can I come out here? I think this one for the one that I bought last time. He said this is the best one and it stopped work last night.
Last night, how long will I have it?
Like 3 months.
Depends how you use it though.
I use it hard because I edit every day and it's it I use. Yeah, that's actually a bit. I guess it just stopped in one go. It's just yesterday it stopped work.
It's really good.
How much for it again?
3.5.
Alright, give me it. And how much for USB for this?
50.
Can I get one of that please? And that's it. So I get in this. Why is it matter about people eating focus when I get this. At this I did have one in. Wait, you have no other color than pink. I don't like pink. Yeah, give me black or get red. I had black, so I'll take red. Go and test it to make sure. Huh? Petite-Sue divinity.
Petite?
Hyphen. SUE. DI. Not one word. It's a different word. That divinity is a different word. DI. Right. Just get everything. That was basically it. I just wanted the USB and the earphone because I need that, like need it. I can't live without it. So got that. It was good enough. It's just that I don't know, probably should me use it every single day. It just give out last night. It just stopped. Alright, thank you very much. Got that. So I'm leaving now. I'm hungry now, but you know what? I'm going to blend up. You see pizza please right over there, so I'm not go over there. You know what? I'm not eat one of them pizza. I'm not going over the door. I'm going home. I'm gonna make my protein shake taste good. I'm gonna make like my protein, my other one protein off of GNC, and by the time I ordered protein shake from them before, and I'm gonna know what happened with the other year. Something going wrong on the other cancer, so me now have no protein powder right now. So I just bought a whole heap of bottles of pure protein from a supermarket. It's a bit pricey to buy it like that, but I gotta buy one big bottle of protein again, man. But that I've been drinking, I blend it up with like at least 4 egg whites, but I always try to go for 6 or 8 egg whites. So I blend it up with only 8 egg whites. I don't put the yolk in there. I just blend it up with that, and I might put like, I get like the almond flavored Lasco, which has like 7 grams of protein in it, and that's what I use as sweetener, but I don't use a lot. And then I'm gonna put peanuts in there, which I love peanuts. Get the raw peanut or almond, and I blend up all of that goodness, and it tastes so good. I don't add any water. And when you check it up now, so the pure protein drink has 23 grams of protein, and then each egg white has 3 grams of protein. So you know, 3 times 6 are 18 grams, and if I go 8 egg whites, that's 24 grams. So it will be 24 grams plus 23 grams, and that is what? That's a 47 grams. And then with this extra 7 grams of out of the Lasco, that is 53 grams. And then what else? I don't know how much grams of protein peanut I have. I forgot to check that out. I don't remember. But yeah, so that's a good amount of protein in my protein shake. So yeah, I drink that once I go to the gym every day. Have that, and it's very filling. So that's like a meal. So that's like lunch for me. In the morning before I go to the gym, I don't eat anything. I just have pre-workout, and then during my workout I have BCAA, which gives me a whole lot of energy, a lot. So yeah, and then for dinner I always try to have my protein in my meat, whatever I eat. And brown rice is really good because that's a lot of fiber, so I eat a lot of that. And you know, veggies. And then some days I have sweet potatoes and yams and stuff like that. But yeah, so that I'm gonna go home and make, I'm not sure what else. I feel hungry still, but you know what, I've actually been not eating too extreme, not eating extremely clean, because first I kind of burn out too much, because I do like with cycling, that's a very intense cardio session. I don't want to burn out too much. I kind of want to bulk a little bit, so I don't mind cheating like twice or having cheat meals. That is, guys, cheat meals. I don't mind eating some ice cream or something here and there, or so. It kind of I'm a system for eat cleaner these days though, but I'm gonna try to not eat too clean, because it kind of make me burn out too much. I know I'm burning out too much. Remember, I'm trying to get gains, so yeah. Right now I'm gonna make a quick stop at the bank. Yeah, I have to make a stop at the bank. So guys, I reach home now for hours. I reach home all long. I'm just there. I just finished film this look you see me rocking. Yeah, this will be up on my main channel tomorrow. All right, I don't usually show my looks before time. I don't like to give previews and stuff, but yeah, I just really wanted to come and, you know, kind of finish off this vlog. I'm going to finish it off with a couple comments though. Like, I haven't done this in a minute, so I say why not. Plus, one big up Rashande Cooper, you know, for me making that little video that I show you guys in the beginning of this vlog. So we're making it for Divine's party, guys, because as you can see, I've been posting the flyer. I've been posting the flyer since recently, because yeah, he will be having an XOPETITE swag this June 24th. Last year was June 25th. This year is June 24th. So yeah, it's gonna be at the same location. I think in a previous vlog it didn't state the location on the flyer, but it's going to be at Winter's Dream Banquet Hall this year again, and that's at Treadwell Street. So yeah, all the details are on the flyer, as you guys can see from the beginning of the video. So yeah, I hope you guys come out and support. It's definitely a Divinity Nation movement, of course. So for all my people that are in that area, you know, and stuff like that, that will be in that area at that time, you know, just, you know, make sure to show on a face and support the thing, because we really appreciate it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump on into the comments. So the first comment I'm seeing is from Purity, and she said, I love how you've been using those quotes in your videos and Twitter. Thank you very much. I also post a lot of quotes on Snapchat. It's just uplifting to me. I've been doing a lot of reading since lately, reading and listening, because I'm not much of a reader. I'm more of a listener, so I listen like audiobooks and stuff like that. I've been just really been on this journey where I'm learning to be more disciplined, because it's like, to grow you have to become more disciplined. Discipline is a big thing. Cutting out procrastination and just disciplining yourself is a huge thing, and some people, I think they neglect that. I think they don't take that very seriously, but trust me, when you start becoming more disciplined, you'll just watch your life transform. No matter who come with them negative energy, like, trust me, negativity will always be there, pain will always be there. Today you'll be happy and you say, yo, what could possibly get me down tomorrow? You never know. Like, life is so unpredictable, so you just have to be disciplined. Do that, stay in your lane and just do you. That's just and listening to a lot of motivational like speakers, and you know, reading books just like laws of attraction and stuff like that. It's really been putting my mind in a whole different space than it was a year ago, a couple months ago. It's just way more. I'm learning to appreciate where I'm at and each and every experience way more. So that's just it for me. So that's the reason why I've decided, you guys see I've been putting a lot of quotes in it. It's not, I'm not just writing them to write them. Like, I legit just, if I can, you know, uplift somebody out there, I'm going to do it in any way that I possibly can, you know. So that's just pretty much it. But yeah, so yeah, thank you, Purity. And as you guys know, just random comments that I'm reading, it's going to be like, I'm probably going to just pick 6, and this is from my previous vlog, as I mentioned before. Patty's World says, I love how you're doing your thing and becoming successful, and you bring your sister in it with you. Thank you very much. You know, I'm trying, you know, I'm really trying. So Tamika Santos says, Taros, I would pay any amount of money to watch this man perform. Love him. Love you guys more. but that made my day. That's wonderful to know that I could record something in my day that really made your day. Like, that makes me feel good. Thank you. Carrie Samuel says, notification not doing their job. I would love to work out. Okay, but the notification thing, guys, if you haven't done it before, just click the notification bell beside the subscribe button. That's how you'll be notified each and every time I upload a vlog, like as soon as possible, because YouTube have been having some serious delay issues. I don't know what's up with that, but that's the best thing I can tell you to do. It really does work. So go ahead and click the bell and you should be notified each and every time I upload my vlog. Melissa Fullwood says, LMAO, your mom was hilarious after the workout. Oh, Walker, I acting wrong. Leave Fluffy alone. She can't touch no toe. Oh Lord, I can't manage. Casey says, dead with laugh at mommy at the gym. It's a good look though. Monica, go on with her thing. Brianna's makeup looking good. Yeah, she's practicing and she's coming along nicely. Thanks for those clips at New Rules. So love you mommy, love you too. All right, Taurus Vlogs says, yes, this lookbook was the best. Nah, so you did such an amazing job. Thank you very much. Erica Murphy says, I'm loving your inspirational quotes, positivity and class. Thank you very much. See that girls are really liking the quotes. Thank you. All right, Queenie Anderson says, good vlog as usual. Big up yourself, Sue. Big up yourself too, Queenie. Big up yourself, darling. Shay Mendes says, the cycling class looks fun. I'ma ask my mom if she wants us to go. She likes them type of workout there. That's nice. I feel like it's a nice quality way to spend time with your family, you know, to just be active. I mean, who wouldn't like to feel more, you know, fit and healthy and just energized within themselves, right? I mean, yeah, it's not the easiest thing to go through, but it really, guys, after working out, you feel a lot better. You could be having the worst day ever, just work out, you know, even if it's just to walk on a treadmill, you feel so much better than you felt before, trust me. Yeah, so that's pretty much where I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. Oh, check out my main channel tomorrow for see that look here too. Here, that lighting here not really do it much justice right now. Kind of look kind of different and thing. I'ma just wrap my hair for the moment, but yeah. So I'm gonna stop all the rambling. I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next vlog. All right, so I'll see you guys. Bye.
If you live in a palace, honestly, you alone challenge me, car. I saw no one and chicken car. Dash on them now, not a wire. Any man would be lucky if you have you. Baby, you're a star. You're a star. Hey, now follow the girl where you try pin fire. Cause she can't touch a button fire. Baby, you're a star.